Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are hiking on the Matanuska Glacier in Alaska. This tour is through Nova Guides and it is a 3-hour hiking trip on the glacier. So we are getting really close. It is an absolutely beautiful day and we are really excited to get started. They also run a longer trek as well as ice climbing tours on this glacier.
For those of you who don't know us, I'm David.
I'm Kaylee.
And we run a travel and adventure vlog called Made to Explore.
We are passionate about activities that get you outside and off the beaten path. We've got a ton of hiking, adventure travel, and van life. So if you are into that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you around for all of our future videos. So the meeting point for this tour is located just off the Glen Highway, which was a gorgeous drive. There's tons of parking at their office. We're gonna go in and get all ready to go. So they recommend bringing sunglasses, warm clothes, rain gear, and food. Our tour is starting at 10:30, but I believe there's also a 9:30 and a 1:30.
Coffee, check.
Coffee, check. Gonna get geared up now. I'm so happy it's not raining right now.
So just getting geared up here. We got spikes and we got helmet, and they can also provide boots if you don't have good waterproof hiking boots. They also got extra layers, so if you don't have warm clothes, they can provide that.
Well, you can add to your list of what they give you.
Gear that is included.
Yeah. Thrift store sunglasses. Nailed it.
Once everyone was ready, we loaded into one of Nova's vans and made the 15-minute drive to the parking lot at Matanuska Glacier. From there, it was about a 10-minute walk until we got up close and personal.
This is amazing.
The reflection of the glacier at this point was absolutely stunning. After we stopped to take some photos, we made our way across a large bridge. After putting on our crampons, it was time to get on the ice.
So this tour has been amazing so far. We are walking on the glacier. We're getting up close and personal with crevasses. We got to drink some glacier water. Oh, it's really nice.
So the route that you take every time and the glacier are just constantly changing throughout the season. The season is from June 1st to mid-September. So keep that in mind, it's pretty short.
This is apparently pretty common for mid-September with the fall colors and the trees. So if you get a chance to come now, the weather is definitely more unpredictable at the end of the season, but the colors are so
beautiful. Yeah. So we are just finishing up the tour. This one is 3 hours. If you want something longer, there's an adventure trek that's 6 hours.
And the backcountry ice climb is 8 hours. There is no ice climbing experience required for that. So we also looked at that tour.
Yeah.
But yeah, very, very cool day.
Yeah, so much fun. Highly recommend it.
Make sure you bring sunglasses. I never wear sunglasses, so I didn't bring mine, but they gave me some, thankfully, because I didn't know you can burn your eyes from the reflection off the ice if it's sunny. So just make sure you have them with you just in case.
Mm-hmm. We are gonna go and hike Lion's Head, which is right beside this glacier, and hopefully get some incredible views from there as well. We'll link this tour below the video if you want to check it out. Thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome trip to Alaska if you come.
And we will see you next week.
See you in the next one.